Freedom from stuttering hypnosis. Overcome the challenges of stuttering and regain your fluency and confidence with this empowering hypnosis recording. Reprogram your speech patterns, release self-consciousness, and communicate with ease and clarity. Brought to you by London Heartbeats Academy. Welcome, fellow seekers of fluency, to this transformative journey of overcoming stuttering and reclaiming your voice with confidence and clarity. In this session, we will embark on a profound exploration of your subconscious beliefs and patterns, where we will help you reprogram your speech patterns, release self-consciousness, and rediscover the joy of effortless communication. Allow yourselves to surrender to the power of your subconscious minds, embrace the boundless potential for fluent speech within you, and open your hearts to the possibility of expressing yourselves with ease and confidence. Preparation. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, in a quiet and serene environment. Close your eyes and take a few deep, cleansing breaths, letting go of any anxiety or frustration you may be feeling about your speech. With each exhale, release any tension you may be holding in your body, allowing yourselves to sink deeper into a state of profound relaxation and self-acceptance. Induction. Imagine yourselves sinking deeper and deeper into a state of relaxation. With each breath, your bodies become heavier, and your minds become calmer. Feel the tension melting away from your muscles, and allow your thoughts to drift away like clouds in the sky. Now visualize yourselves in a place that represents fluency, confidence, and effortless communication. This could be a real or imagined location, a place where you feel comfortable, confident, and completely at ease with your voice. Immerse yourselves in the sights, sounds, and sensations of this place. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, the gentle caress of the wind, the feeling of unwavering fluency and confidence surrounding you. Reprogramming speech patterns. Acknowledge the challenges you have faced with stuttering and recognize that these challenges may have been caused by a combination of factors, including genetics, anxiety, and learned patterns. With compassion, observe these patterns without judgment, and allow them to dissolve like mist in the morning sun. Repeat these affirmations silently to yourselves. I am reprogramming my speech patterns for fluency and effortless communication. I am releasing any anxiety or self-consciousness that may be hindering my speech. I am embracing my voice and speaking with confidence and clarity. Releasing self-consciousness. Visualize yourselves releasing any self-consciousness you may have about your speech. See yourselves letting go of any negative thoughts or beliefs about your ability to communicate effectively. Imagine yourselves feeling comfortable and confident in any speaking situation, knowing that you have the power to express yourselves clearly and authentically. Repeat these affirmations silently to yourselves. I am releasing any self-consciousness or negative beliefs about my speech. I am embracing my voice and speaking with confidence and clarity. I am comfortable and confident in any speaking situation. Rediscovering effortless communication. Imagine yourselves rediscovering the joy of effortless communication. See yourselves speaking with ease and fluency, expressing your thoughts and feelings clearly and confidently. Visualize yourselves engaging in conversations with others, sharing your ideas and perspectives with enthusiasm and clarity. Repeat these affirmations silently to yourselves. I am rediscovering the joy of effortless communication. I am speaking with ease and fluency, expressing my thoughts and feelings clearly and confidently. I am engaging in conversations with others, sharing my ideas and perspectives with enthusiasm and clarity. Empowerment in action. Now, visualize yourselves taking inspired action to overcome stuttering and communicate with confidence. See yourselves practicing speaking in different situations, gradually increasing your comfort level and fluency. Imagine yourselves seeking support from speech therapists or support groups, and surrounding yourselves with positive and encouraging people who believe in your ability to succeed. Repeat these affirmations silently to yourselves. I am taking inspired action to overcome stuttering and communicate with confidence. I am practicing speaking in different situations and gradually increasing my comfort level and fluency. I am seeking support from speech therapists or support groups and surrounding myself with positive and encouraging people. Emergence and integration. When you are ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Take a few deep breaths and stretch your bodies gently. As you return to full consciousness, carry with you the feeling of fluency, confidence, and a deep sense of empowerment in your voice. Remember, the changes you have initiated within yourselves are now deeply embedded in your subconscious minds. Continue to practice speaking with confidence. Engage in activities that challenge you to overcome your fears, and trust that you are on the right path to achieving fluency and effortless communication. Embrace the journey of overcoming stuttering and reclaiming your voice, knowing that you have the power to express yourselves with clarity, confidence, and joy. Conclusion. Congratulations on taking this transformative step towards overcoming stuttering and reclaiming your voice with confidence and clarity. Remember, you are a unique and valuable individual with a voice that deserves to be heard. Embrace your voice, trust your abilities, and pursue your dreams with confidence and determination. Know that you have the power to overcome any challenges you face and achieve fluency and effortless communication, leaving a lasting impact on the world with your words. Bonus affirmations. I am reprogramming my speech patterns for fluency and effortless communication. I am releasing any anxiety or self-consciousness that may be hindering my speech. I am embracing my voice and speaking with confidence and clarity. I am releasing any self-consciousness or negative beliefs about my speech. I am embracing my voice and speaking with confidence and clarity. I am comfortable and confident in any speaking situation. I am rediscovering the joy of effortless communication. I am speaking with ease and fluency, expressing my thoughts and feelings clearly and confidently. I am engaging in conversations with others, sharing my ideas and perspectives with enthusiasm and clarity. I am taking inspired action to overcome stuttering and communicate with confidence. I am practicing speaking in different situations and gradually increasing my comfort level and fluency. I am seeking support from speech therapists or support groups and surrounding myself with positive and encouraging people. Additional notes. This script can be used as a standalone hypnosis session or as part of a broader speech therapy program or personal development program. It is important to tailor the suggestions to the individual's specific experiences, values, and goals. The use of imagery and metaphors can be very effective in reprogramming speech patterns, releasing self-consciousness, and rediscovering effortless communication. It is recommended to listen to this recording regularly, especially during times of anxiety or self-doubt, or when preparing for important speaking engagements. Remember, hypnosis is a collaborative process between the hypnotist and the client. The client's willingness to participate and engage with the suggestions is essential for success. Disclaimer: this recording is for informational purposes only and should not be considered a substitute for professional speech therapy, counseling, or mental health treatment. If you are experiencing any concerns about your speech or fluency, it is important to consult with a qualified professional. They can provide you with personalized guidance, support, and treatment options to address your specific needs and concerns.